Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, front-facing webcam, rear-facing webcam, and IR webcam if installed. Removal. Remove the wireless antenna and speaker cables from the routing channel on the webcam plastic brackets. Remove the two 2mm P000 Phillips head screws that secure the webcam plastic brackets to the display enclosure. Lift the webcam plastic brackets off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the microphone board ZIF connector and disconnect the microphone board ribbon cable from the system board. Carefully remove the microphone board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure. Carefully slide the microphone board out of the clips on the display enclosure and remove. Important: make note of the placement of the rubber covers on the microphone board. If placed incorrectly, the rubber covers will cover the microphone openings. Reverse this procedure to install the microphone board.